All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, right now, another strong thing is happening in Yoruba land right now. What is the problem of our elders? What is going on? What is the problem of these Fulani people? Is it by force for us to be together? We have said it times without number. We have said it several times that we don't want to have anything to do with this set of people. We have said we don't want to have anything to do with these Fulani people. What is going on? Look at what just happened now. And then we have told our elders. This is the reason why we told them that we don't want to have anything to do with these Fulani people. Look at what this set of people just did to one of our Yoruba brothers. Oh my God, what is all this, for crying out loud? Now this our Yoruba brothers, on his farmland, I don't know, he went to, he cultivated his farm and everything. Now it has gone to the level whereby he needs to cultivate, whereby he needs to harvest. Now look at what this set of Fulani people did to this man. Oh my God, what is going on? Is there a problem in this matter? What is it by force for us to be together? Now they went to this man's farm. They took their cow to that farm. They eat up this man's farm. The next thing, this man saw that, oh, what is going on? This man went to report these Fulani people to the police in that village. At the end of it all, look at what they did to this man. At the end of it all, they tied this man, they tied his legs and hands together, put a stick in between, and they hung it on a block and started punching this guy. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbá máì ní ẹ̀ṣẹ́ ní ojú tó ń dẹ̀ fi gbá ojú ẹ̀ tó ń gbá ya. Fídíò yẹn ń ṣe fídíò téèyàn lè wò. Wọ́n gbá ojú ẹ̀ ya pé Kilode tó lọ ń fẹjọ́ wa sùn. Ṣé Oloriburuku làwọn people yìí ni? And this is the reason why we have been telling our elders we don't want to continue in this manner. We don't want to continue with these people. Let us go our separate ways. Yes, some in fact, I don't know the name I will call them. Àwọn aláyébàjẹ́ kan wọ́n dẹ̀ jáde wọ́n pariwo restructuring. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń kú lójoojúmọ́, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn wa lójoojúmọ́, ẹ̀ ń pariwo restructuring torí owó tẹ́yìn fẹ́ fi sápò tiyín. What is all this, for crying out loud? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ jí o. Now all this set of people, àwọn Fulani, wọ́n ti jáde pé gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá làwọn fẹ́ pa tán sẹ̀. Báwọn máa pa yín tán sẹ̀ pé kò sí kan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ̀. Pé gbàgbé pé ẹ̀yin lẹ wà lórí ipò, ẹ̀yin lẹ wà lórí àléfà, pé gbàgbé gbogbo yẹn. Àwa tẹ̀ ń wà lójú kan táwọn pariwo pé ọmọ Yorùbá ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ ó ṣe ọmọ ẹni ò ní ṣèdí bẹ́ẹ̀ rẹ̀ ká fi ilẹ̀kẹ̀ sí ìdí ọmọ ẹlòmíì. A ti fọmọ wa síbẹ̀ ń sìn, àwọn Fúlàní tún jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé tó bẹ̀ sẹ̀ pé gbogbo yẹn máa pa yín lọ pé kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ̀. Ìdí ní ìta fi ń sọ fáwọn àgbààgbà lílẹ̀ Yorùbá o, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ń lọ wá pé àwọn àtàwọn pípù yà lè jọ gbèsè. Ẹran làwọn pípù yìí o, ẹran ìmẹ́ làwọn pípù yìí sẹ̀. Àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n lè wà nínú igbó, wọ́n lè wà nínú igbó fún ọdún kankan máa wẹ̀ níwọ̀n lẹ́fẹ́ wá ní káwa tí wọ́n jọ máa gbé pọ̀. Àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n lè máa fọnu fọ́dún méjì, kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe wọ́n. Ṣé ẹran ni àwọn ò ń ṣe ẹran náà? Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ jáde kí gbogbo wa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pírètì kí àwọn pípù ká lé wọn pa. Àwọn Haúsá ti jáde lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta pé ókè o, àwọn rẹ́dí àti bá wa ṣe, àwọn rẹ́dí àti bá wa support ká lé àwọn pípù pa. But àwọn àgbààgbà ò gbà. What is going on, for crying out loud? This is so disheartening. This is so pathetic. What is going on? Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni, somebody who has worked tirelessly to know. In fact, most of these people, wọ́n máa ń ya owó yẹn ni. They borrow that money to cultivate all those farms you are seeing. They get it from cooperative. If you know the amount of money these people always borrow to say they want to cultivate this farm, tó wá dé stage kan káwọn ẹranko yìí kán wá jáde kán wá gbé ẹran wọn wá kán dẹ̀ máa fi máa jẹ́ pé kò sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni dẹ̀ lọ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn. The next thing, wọ́n dẹ̀ so máa yín mọ́lẹ̀, wọ́n so ọwọ́ àtẹsẹ̀ pọ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ figi sáàárín ẹ̀, wọ́n gbé sókè, wọ́n dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fi ẹ̀ṣẹ́ ba ogbójú máa yìí jẹ́. What exactly is going on? Why are these people like this? That is why we have said it that we can no longer do anything with these people. It has not even gotten to this stage. It has not gotten to this particular stage that we were like, no, we have to go our separate ways. Now it's worse. Yet Some people are still in there telling us that one Nigeria. Anybody tó bá ń pariwo ní ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá ń pariwo náà one Nigeria ń sìn, in fact ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ lọ ni. Irú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí máa yìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo àwọn family member ẹ̀ lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Sí ìsọ pé ìkà ló fẹ́ máa ṣe. Sí ìsọ pé wọn ò fẹ́ gbọ́ títa àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Ojoojúmọ́ la fi ń sọ kinní yìí pé àwọn people yìí à lè bá wọn ṣe anything. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni pé ká dúró, pé ká continue pẹ̀lú wọn, pé ká má worry pé ó máa da. Torí pé ẹ̀yin rówó gbà, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín ò sí Nàìjíríà, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín wà ń ta. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín kò sí ládùúgbò, gbogbo wọn ìlú òyìnbó ni gbogbo wọn wà. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bú àwa, ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń jẹ́ kí ìyà máa jẹ wá. Why now? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Why now? Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kí ló dé? Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní pé ká má bú àwọn àgbàlagbà. Ṣé bá ṣe máa bá lọ rèé? Now máa yìí ń sìn àwọn family ẹ̀ kí lẹ rò pé àwọn family ẹ̀ irú situation làwọn family ẹ̀ máa wà báyìí. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ṣé dandan ni kájọ wà pọ̀ ni? A ti ní pé kóníkàkùn máa lọ tiwọn. Ṣé according to that man you go say na trouble? Ṣé trouble ni torí Ọlọ́run? What is going on? Ọmọ ẹni ò ní ṣe ìdí bẹ̀bẹ̀ rẹ̀ ká fi lẹ̀kẹ̀ sí ìdí ẹlòmíì. Ọmọ wa ti wà ń bẹ̀ sí kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó máa ṣe o. Ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. And one thing is that if you like continue to say one Nigeria or continue to say it has not gotten to me, it doesn't concern me, my brother, my sister is going to visit anyone who is still supporting one Nigeria. Thank God a lot of people have come out. At least the population of the people supporting one Nigeria now in Yoruba land have reduced. Majority of them have now come out. They are now supporting Yoruba nation because ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́gbọ́n wọ́n ti jẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ti jẹ breakfast yẹn, wọ́n ti gbé family, wọ́n ti gbé àwọn ìyá wọn, wọ́n ti gbé bàbá àwọn kan nú wọn, wọ́n ti gbé ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn kan nú wọn, wọ́n ti gbé ọkọ àwọn kan nú wọn, wọ́n ti jínú àwọn ọmọ àwọn kan nú wọn gbé. So now gbogbo wọn ti wake up pé àárọ̀ àwọn tó ń parí Yorùbá nation yìí pé àmọ̀ pé ìdí tó fi ń pariwo rèé o, láì ṣe pé wọ́n gbé wọn àwọn gan ò ní dá sí. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí ì dá sí tẹ́ yín sọ pé kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ má worry, ó máa tó kàn yín. Yes. Omato coin, because we are saying these things, you people are keeping deaf ears, you are looking away. Ṣe bí ìgbà kan ti gé ti yín lọ láì ṣe pàṣà kẹni, ṣe bí ìgbà kan ti gé ti gbogbo yín lọ. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ò dá yín àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ẹ jáde síta, ẹ túyáyá, nígbà gbọ́dọ̀ continue pẹ̀lú àwọn arábí, kò ń ṣe dandan now. We have talked about this several times. You are still making us to be repeating ourselves. What exactly is going on? How long are we going to continue like this? What is the meaning of all this one that is going on? We want Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what the people are still talking about. Yoruba nation is the only solution. We want Yoruba nation. Yoruba nation need their freedom now. Exactly. Now, how long are we going to remain in this contraction called a country? This set of people don't want us to go. They don't still want us to have peace of mind. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ní pé nígbà táwọn bá pa wá tán sẹ̀. Àwọn àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá dẹ̀ jókòó síbẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń wá àwọn people tó yẹ pé wọ́n lè gbà kí wọ́n fọwọ́ kan àwọn family tiwọn. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ń rí. Irú wàhálà ò lélẹ̀. Máa wáyé ìyà torí Ọlọ́run. Ń ṣe ẹrú torí Ọlọ́run. Àwọn gangan ló ní láti ṣe ti àwa Yorùbá nation, gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ti wọn láéláé. No wonder they came out with the opinion that all the governors are their gardeners. So wọ́n kàn bá wọn ṣọ́gbà ni, àwọn aṣọ́gbà ni gbogbo wọn. Àwọn governors then gbọ́ wọn sọ̀rọ̀. They are not saying anything. Oh my goodness, what is going on? We all need to come out in our numbers. I want you people to keep sharing this video. Let it get to the youth president of the Yoruba nation. Let there be great awareness, because we can no longer continue like this. On a daily basis, and it will not favor us. If you say, they have not gotten to your side, what if one day one of your family member now got to be a victim of these circumstances? My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. Yoruba nation is the only solution, either they like it or not. Chief Sunday Gbogbo should be brought back to Nigeria. We have said it times to that number. A lot of people are keeping quiet. They thought it's a joke. until tó bá ti kan gbogbo àwọn family wọn. My brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Until this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.